With more than 20 years of experience in milling cutter manufacturing, we focus on real strength rather than gimmicks. Boasting a 100 million level production line, we gather world-top precision grinding machines such as Normandic and Makino. Every piece of equipment is crafted with dedication, and every milling cutter undergoes strict quality inspection. Backed by 20 independent R&D patents, the cutting-edge precision is controlled within plus or minus 0.003 millimeters, easily handling the processing of high-hardness steel and titanium alloy. Direct supply from the source factory eliminates intermediate links, helping your production line improve quality and reduce costs with our strength.